What are the ways that we can use credit to build wealth? Just dropping some brief ones before we go into our discussion. But if you're using credit or debt to buy property, or you have credit cards with perks, and we're going to talk about how exactly to use credit cards. If you're using credit to get capital for your business, or for education and self-improvement, or debt consolidation, these are the ways that you can use credit to build wealth. I want you to make sure, take a screenshot of this particular slide and remember it. These are the ways that you can use credit to build wealth. Whatever way you are considering to use credit, if it's not on this list, think twice. If you are on that money journey, you say, Keisha, I'm looking to grow my money up, you should be using credit in one of these ways. Notice here, there's no credit used for consumption, borrowing money to spend and splurge. We don't want to use credit for that, because when we do that, we're not building wealth. We're actually destroying wealth.